Once in the water and when in front of the population to be surveyed, fill the header of form containing key information for the survey, such as date, species, depth, etc. Select the depth for the mortality census and stick to the selected depth. Ideally, the selected depth should correspond where the data loggers are set up. The goal of the assessment is to observe at least 100 colonies or specimens. To help in data gathering, use a reference and stick to the selection criteria. Different references can be used, for example, a square of 50 cm on each side. Colonies inside the square should be observed and their condition reported. A bar 50 cm long. The colonies that anchor in the wall 10 cm above and below the bar are sampled. A zigzag wooden ruler. Sample the colonies that are anchored on the wall inside an imaginary rectangle formed by the wooden ruler. When collecting data, do not take into account small colonies. We consider small colonies the ones measuring less than 15 cm in height for gorgonians. In this video, as an example, a quadrat is used for sampling. For each colony or specimen, indicate whether or not it is affected by mortality. This means, in gorgonians, that the colony display more than 10% of necrosis. For other species in general, if they display necrosis, they should be considered as affected. Fill the form with the correspondent info about the condition of colonies found within the chosen reference. Then move the quadrat to a new position and repeat the sampling till you get the status and condition of at least 100 colonies. Here you can see healthy gorgonian colonies. Here is a detail of a healthy colony. Here you can see affected colonies. For the affected colonies, it should also be noted whether the necrosis is recent, the presence of denuded axis can be observed, or old. The axis is covered by long-lived species, such as bryozoans or calcareous algae, or both types of necrosis are present. Here is a detail of a denuded colony, which means that the necrosis is recent. Here is a detail of a colony with epibiosis, symptom that the affectation is old. Here you can see a colony that shows both a denuded axis and some epibiosis. That means that the colony was affected in the past and has also been affected recently. Here you can see the difference in appearance between a healthy gorgonian population and another population severely affected by a mortality.